Hello, my name is Denise Baxter. I'm the CEO and founder of IdentifyHR. My team is based in Edinburgh, London and the Isle of Mull in the United Kingdom. We made the move to Vincere over a year ago. At that time, we were using a system called Firefish, and we're looking for a system that could offer much more seamless metrics. Upon receiving the demo from Vincere, I was truly amazed at the level of information that is just there at all times, no reports needing to be run. That alone saved lots of time because previously we had to run lots of separate reports and merge data in Excel. Other features that we absolutely love in Vincere include things like the live list. This allows us to share candidate profiles and our notes with our clients via Vincere. Our client can then review and take appropriate action, including shortlisting candidates to interview stage and suggesting interview dates at the same time. This function alone saves ourselves and our clients so much time, especially when we do have a lot of technical clients that absolutely love this feature. Just makes the whole process quicker, more efficient, and therefore adding more value to the bottom line of the business, but also in terms of client engagement. It's a feature that makes us stand out from our competitors, so thank you, Vincere, for that. We also love the ability to add notes to the system and tag colleagues in it. We do very much work on a cross-team function, and this has really helped supporting the business overall. Finally, one of the features I really love is the talent pool. It is brilliant. We have a lot of retained exclusive business, and this allows us to basically ring-fence candidates when we're working on an exclusive assignment for a client. I think Vincere actually offered more value than Bullhorn. The demo we got, the information, it wasn't just a case of a demo and then having to make a decision. We had lots of questions going backwards and forwards at the time, and we definitely felt consulted, not forced into making a decision. And certainly Vincere, in my mind, is the best on the market.